Hey guys, welcome to Zero Day Coder. In this video, we are going to create ebook from scratch. So let's see the ebook app quickly, which we are going to build. So this is the ebook which we are going to build from scratch, like with this splash screen and all this stuff. So this is how we can see all the subject like math, science, all the subject. When we click on that, it will open another page, year page, and when we click on that, so we can see all the list of question paper, and when we click on that item, so it will open the PDF. Okay, this is the page which we are going to, this is the app which we are going to build from scratch. So let's see how we can build this app quickly. So first, what you have to do, like whatever directory you want to build your app, just go to that directory, open the terminal. Okay, now when you open the terminal, okay, on the directories, you have to run one command to create a React Native app. There's one article which you can also check it out, setting up the environment. Okay, now after that, there's one command which you have to do. Just with this command npx react native with the latest and you have to define this the project name. So let's suppose we are creating a ebook app, so I just define the ebook. Okay, and we have to press the enter. I've already generated this project to save our time. So what is gonna, it will took I think not 2 or 3 minutes, and it will like in downloading the templates, and once that is done, it will install all the modules. Okay, now let's open it on the VS Code. So to open the VS Code, first you have to navigate on that project. So I just went to the ebook folder, and I just went hit code space dot and hit enter. So it will open that app in the directory. So once that is done, I'm just closing my all the terminals and my emulators also. Okay, now it will done. Now what I have to do, I have to start my, let's start my server quickly. So it's gonna start my server. Okay, let me open on my Android emulator. So to open it on the Android app, so first we have to do npm start. So it will start the server, and after that we have to just type A. A stand for run on Android. So it's gonna installing the app quickly, and let me make. Okay, so it's bundling the file, and so you can see my app is being bundled, and we can see on the UI. So this is the predefined things which we can see here. So you can check this out, like if you want to read like some basic how to start, like React Native and open save the device and so on. So let's start our project. So first I'm going to remove this folder, and I'm not going to use TypeScript, I'm going to use JavaScript. So I'm going to make it JSX, okay, instead of TSX. Okay, now I'm going to create a function React native functional React Native functional code export. So it will create this, okay, snippet, because I've already installed React Native code snippet. You can check this out from the here. Okay, now let's create a folder directory. So I'm going to create a folder directory called source. So inside the source, I'm going to create a folder called screen. Okay, on the screen we have gonna have a multiple screen like home screen. Okay, now okay, there is one more thing to add routing. Okay, to open to one page to another page, we have to use one package called React Native Navigation. So we are going to install a React Native Navigation package quickly. React Native Navigation. So in React we have called React Router to add pages. So the same way to add screens in React Native, we have to use React Native Navigation. So let's install all the packages quickly. So first what we have to do, we have to just copy this code, and we have to install this package. Okay, so I just copy this and hit enter. So it will install the React Native Navigation native, and after that we have to install this React Native screen and React Native area context. I just copied this and paste it. Okay, now after this we have to click on next. So we can use the like I'm going to use React Native Navigation stack. So what is stack stand for? Like basically one page after another is stack. The way we put the item in a plates, so that is a stack format. Okay. Now we can see here some code snippet of stack navigator. So I'm going to just copy this code. Okay, let me copy this code. Navigation container code. Okay. And okay. Now we have to copy, we have to import navigation container from React Native Navigation Native, and we have to make const stack is equal to create native stack navigator. And let me do it quickly. Okay, so this is how we can do, and we have to also import the create stack navigator. Okay, so we can see, and we have to also create a home screen. Okay, so let's import the home screen component React Native functional export. Okay, and I'm going to initialize the name as a home screen. Okay, now after that we have to import this component. So I just import this component home screen. Perfect. Now let's start our emulator quickly. Okay, so after installing any packages, we have to reinstall app. Okay, so I'm just opening my app, like I see something. Yeah, perfect. Now we can see so what I mistake done on the app, I was wrap navigation container inside the view, and that was causing an issue. Okay, so we can see here our home code. Okay, now I'm just going to remove it quickly. Okay, so okay, let's design this home also, the header also. So how we can style this header? So we have called skin options. Okay, now inside this become red. So I'm just gonna make it this color code. It's gonna be like looks cool, and the header text and the header title fodder style. So I define as like if I 100, so it will become much more lighter, but I'm going to make it bold. Okay. Now after that, let's go to the home screen. Okay. Now in the home screen, what I have to do, we gonna use a flat list.